else I'm about to ready to go with. Told y'all I was going for wind, and that's what I'm going for. I got Sundown SV315. I'm gonna run a couple of them in the 6th order. That's all I'm gonna give y'all for now. But we're about to ready to get to this good old unboxing, fresh out work, man, so don't judge me. And see what all we got in here. Look at these goodies. Hope this is the right way. The box kind of tall, and pictures and all this stuff. Alright, I ain't set the camera up good enough, so you might not be able to see the decals and the shirts and all that, but I took pictures at the end of it. I ain't good at that part. Sweet team down for sound sticker. Definitely gonna be rocking that. Put that on top of the truck. That's going on. Still gotta get the truck painted and all that. But definitely that case. It got me a sweet Sundown audio shirt. Ooh. Rocking that for sure. Got me a down for sound lanyard. Definitely gonna put this to good use. We got me a good old voltmeter. Never had too many of those. Definitely was in need of another one. All right. Here we go. Get going the sideways. So I come in. All right, time to take the big boy out. Get the camera right. All right. See that? Yes, sir. Well, look at this beauty right here. Look at this beauty. I ain't never been excited about no suits. I ain't gonna lie to you, I had plenty of suits. I ain't never been excited about having that. This right here, I'm pretty excited about this build. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's this old Sundown. Big. Mega surround. Big old fat booty. Take this out the trap off. Y'all gotta see this up close first. Y'all got to see this. It's a beefy little boy. Like I said, pictures and videos and all that don't do no justice. It's a nice stout little suit. I want to see all that ass. As soon as I get that box mounted right, put in, I want to see all that. Nice. So, like I said, I'm going for some good wins. And I know I'm gonna get it. From the videos and all that I've seen of these, I'm gonna get it. Got with a good boss designer, so I already know it's gonna be A1. And my boss builder is A1, so he got plenty of stuff out here. He also got a truck like mine. Videos on my page of the 912s and his Explorer. But it's about to be ready to get serious around here. No, just a little something. Nice, good little stout motor on it. It ain't the CV6, but it's the X. You still get nasty with the X. The CV6 is the big brother. Then you know you go up. But I'm excited about this. So I got a couple more to get. I just got this. This is my motivation right here. This is my motivation to go and get the rest of them. So it is what it is. Lay around for it.